Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra that needs a new display, and we have our Samsung Galaxy expert to fix this problem. Let's go! So as you can see here, we have the built-in diagnostics for Samsung devices. You can access that through your dialer. I'm not sure what codes you need to encode or call, but you can see that the top portion is not really responding to touch, so it's a dead zone. We're gonna begin the repair by removing the back cover on this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This Ultra smartphone, it used to be the high-end S20 back in the day, but now it's kind of a few generations older, but still very capable for 2023. We're gonna slice through the adhesive. We're gonna put some liquid adhesive. We're gonna slice through them, and it seems to me that this smartphone has been opened before. The adhesive is not really that strong. We're gonna remove some screws that covers the boards on this one. We're gonna remove the wireless charging module. But David is gonna make it look easy. He's done a lot of S20 Ultra, in fact, so this is gonna be like a walk in the park for David. If you don't have the experience, the tools, and the interest to fix your own device, then this can be very daunting. A lot of screws needs to be tracked, a lot of connectors needs to be secured. So I think this is a good smartphone to fix if you are already adept in fixing smartphones with simple issues. But this one is gonna take a lot of brain power and experience to finish. We can now see that we can remove the main board itself. So all the processing power of this S20 Ultra is concentrated on this single component. We're also going to remove the cover for the daughter board. And we're going to remove the daughter board. We're going to use the connectors as leverage. We're going to remove some miscellaneous parts from the old housing. This is a replacement display. David is going to replace the display with the housing, so it looks brand new afterwards, because we're just going to be swapping like the housing and the display for this S20 Ultra. So all the internal components and the back cover will be old ones, but at the front it's looking pretty shiny and brand new. We're just gonna transplant everything, the main board, the daughter board. We're gonna screw them in. We're gonna secure the connectors as we go along. We're gonna cover the daughter board. We're gonna screw it in while we can. And now we're gonna get the battery from the housing. It's gonna be tricky because it's got very strong adhesive at the back of it, but I think this has been opened before, so it's not gonna be that strong, the adhesive underneath the battery. So it's easy for us to swap it out, and we're just gonna do our finishing touches on this Galaxy S20 Ultra. We're just gonna test it and give it back to our client. So if you're wondering what services we offer here in the shop, we fix iPhones, Apple Watches, other smartwatches. We also do Asus ROG phones. So basically any device, if David has some parts in stock, he will do the repair right away. But if we don't have the stock in hand, we're just going to order it, and we'll schedule the repair as soon as possible. So the smartphone is booting up pretty nicely and it looks brand new up front, but if you don't know any better, this smartphone could look fresh out of the box, right off the Samsung store. So that's the code for the diagnostic tool that we used a while ago. So if you're keen on testing your Samsung device, this is how you do it. We're gonna focus our attention to touch, and look at that. The top portion is now responding to touch. So I think this S20 Ultra is fully fixed. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. And if you're interested on the repair services that we offer here in the shop, don't hesitate to message us, leave a comment down below, or you can just visit us. We welcome visitors here in the shop. Say hi. David is a nice guy, and he's also an expert Samsung Galaxy repairman. Take care, guys. We'll see you again next time. This is the before and after, just so you can see it. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?